Teeth whitening gel is a popular dental product used to remove discoloration and stains from teeth, giving them a wider appearance. The most common form of teeth whitening gel is found in pens that consist of a brush tip and enamel-safe gel. These pens are easy to use, safe, and compliant with regulations set by the Australian Dental Association. Teeth whitening technicians should consider carrying teeth whitening gel pens as part of their inventory. With the growing popularity of DIY teeth whitening and aftercare among consumers, technicians can capitalize on this trend by stocking up on the latest teeth whitening products. Furthermore, adding these items to their portfolio can attract new customers who are looking for convenient and affordable whitening solutions. Teeth whitening gel is a safe and gentle way to achieve the desired white teeth without harsh chemicals. It comes in both pens, syringes, or with a professional-grade tray that can be used with a teeth whitening accelerator machine. With teeth whitening gel, when combined with a professional LED lamp, can achieve up to 5 to 14 shades wider than your current shade. The active ingredient in the gel is hydrogen peroxide, which helps break down surface stains caused by everyday activities such as drinking coffee and eating foods like curry. The treatment process is easy and convenient, taking only 60 minutes out of your day to get maximum results if you opt for a professional treatment. Hydrogen peroxide teeth whitening gel is the perfect solution for discolored and stained teeth. This easy-to-use pen allows you to easily apply the gel directly onto your client's teeth, providing a fast and convenient way to offer a teeth whitening service. The tooth whitening gel is compliant with all applicable laws, so you can rest assured it meets all safety regulations. Hydrogen peroxide teeth whitening gel is a safe and gentle way to whiten your teeth. It works by releasing oxygen molecules which, when in contact with surface stains, safely and effectively break them down. The amount of whiteness that can be expected from using hydrogen peroxide teeth whitening gel varies from person to person. However, it is not uncommon for people to see a change of up to 14 shades wider after the treatment. Additionally, due to its low concentration and mild formula, it will not damage enamel or cause sensitivity like many other products on the market today. Teeth whitening is one of the most popular beauty treatments available today. Make sure you are offering teeth whitening at your salon today.